How to post on Reddit on mobile. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do it. Before moving forward, also be noted this process is same for Android device as well as iOS devices. So first thing first, in order to post to Reddit, launch your Reddit application and then simply tap on this plus create button. Also make sure that you are logged into your account. As it is so, you can go ahead and select a community. I'm going to tap on this one, and here you have to type in your text. First of all, let's go ahead and type in our title, and this body text is completely optional. And once you're satisfied, if you would like to add a photo or video, you may go ahead and tap on this icon in order to add photo and this icon in order to add video. If you would like to add link, you may go ahead and tap on the first icon. Once you're satisfied, you may go ahead and tap on post on your top right hand side. And just like so, this is how you can add post on your Reddit and your phone. That is all for today's video. Thank you all for watching. If it had helped you in any ways, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.